Hi guys, today's video is on the heart-shaped wedding fun money box that you can find in Poundland under the bridal section. Some of the letters removed. I was just testing different options to remove the lettering and the hearts. You can see here there's a weird film on my one, and I found it in all the ones in my local store. They had this weird like clear plasticky film on it, so if you just remove that before you start. I found that acetone or nail varnish remover or nail varnish remover with acetone was the best way to remove the lettering and the hearts. I've decided to keep the hearts on my one because of what I will be putting on mine. But yeah, you feel free to remove the hearts, anything that you want. You can even use like Sharpies and things like that to write on these money boxes, and just personalize it your own way. I've decided to use a decal that I made using my Cricut Explore, and yeah, so I'll add a link as well down below, so if you want to purchase any like decals or with your names or anything like that, or any text for this project, just click the link below or send me an email and I'll try and help you out with one of those. So now I'm going to switch over to Cricut and make the design I want to put on my money box. So here I start to cut around the vinyl and weed it and prep it and get it ready to place on my money box. And I put the transfer tape on it so I can put it onto the money box. What you don't see in the video is I do clean the money box with an alcohol wipe. I do use the Clinell alcohol wipes. I get them from Amazon. I get 15% off because I use the subscribe and save, and they come monthly, and I do use them up every month, and I sometimes have to purchase more on the one-off purchase or go to my local chemist to buy them. So as you can see, I've changed the angle, and I just want to show you up close the transfer tape and the decal at a clearer angle. I removed the transfer tape, and that's my finished project. If you need any decals, just see below and I'll leave the links and information for you. The decals I send out via my Etsy shop come with the transfer tape already and an alcohol swab wipe.